The Nest by Carol Roberts. Max, Jen, exclaimed Gwen. Look, I see a nest. Can you see the nest? Asked Gwen. I see it, said Max and Jen. Can you see the bird? Asked Mrs. Webb. Yes, it's a mockingbird, said Gwen. The nest was made of twigs. It had grasses in it. The grass will make it soft, said Ben. I see twigs and leaves, said Wes. I see bits of paper, said Liz. We can write about it, said Jen. One day a surprise was in the nest. Eggs, the kid said. We see eggs with dots. We look at the nest every day. We will look at the nest every day, said Mrs. Webb. Will we see baby birds? Asked Gwen. Soon, everyone asked. The bird sat on the nest. This made the eggs warm. The bird sat and sat for days. One day the kids see baby birds. The mom fed the baby birds. The dad fed the baby birds. The baby birds look soft, said Liz. Soon they'll get big feathers, said Gwen. Every day the birds try to fly. Can they fly yet? The kids asked. The baby birds try. Then the baby birds can fly. One day it was quiet. The nest was empty. It was fun to see the baby birds. The end.